Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Clash of Clans account without a Supercell ID. While Supercell ID is the recommended method for account security and transfer, there are still ways to access your game if you haven't linked it yet. We'll explore how to recover your village using alternative methods, primarily focusing on device-specific gaming services. This guide will help you understand the steps involved in getting back into your Clash of Clans world, even without that direct Supercell connection. For Android users, Google Play Games is your key. First, make sure your device is signed into the Google account that was originally used to play Clash of Clans. Then, open the game and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Google Play Sign-In option. If it's not connected, tap to link it. This should automatically load your previously saved village, allowing you to continue your progress seamlessly. It's a straightforward process for many players. If you're an iOS player, Apple's Game Center is the equivalent. Begin by confirming that your iPhone or iPad is signed into the Apple ID linked to your original Clash of Clans village. Open the game and go to the settings. You should see a Game Center sign-in option. If it shows as disconnected, tap to establish the connection. Your game should then retrieve your saved progress from Game Center, bringing your village back to life. If neither Google Play Games nor Apple Game Center recovers your account, your next step is to contact Supercell Player Support. You can usually find this option within the game's settings under Help and Support. Be prepared to provide specific details about your lost village, such as your player tag, clan name, and any in-app purchase receipts. The more information you can give, the better your chances of a successful recovery. They are there to help you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.